Muy lejos de donde él vive.
Sacudí, le hice así y salió.
All right, let's get going. Fucking mosquito, mierda. Nothing fell off?
Huh?
Nothing fell off yet?
Nah, it's gonna stay in, bro. I just don't know why.
I'm behind you. If anything, I give you a heads up. No, really, I was looking at it when we were going over there from here.
I don't know why. That's the one I put you.
Maybe the locking ring didn't go in? Alright, everybody grab their key. Thank you. Where are they going? I'm loving this bitch. I went in here yesterday, last weekend. It was cool. Back there. All through here.
Where everybody used to come, they park and they do bonfires and they do right out here. This is nice. But they close the.
Yeah, way back there. I went by myself here literally like 2 weeks ago. All the way back there. Because I saw the entrance from from A Street.
They close.
Ah, 14 miles on it.
Hey, he just got this shit.
1.9 hours.
They didn't have the screen. Yesterday, they bought it. They didn't have the screen. They called them and hey, we got that shit today.
Yeah, see. I was supposed to be at work at 9:30. But you know what time I showed up at work? I showed up. Estamos acá en el lago ya, caminamos. Estoy acá on the edge of the water del lago que está más para west. Estoy acá on the edge of the water del lago west. Just get to the west side. I see you right now. I'm in the other side of the lake. I see you right now. You see on the other side? Yeah. Yeah, acá estoy. Dale. I got two more cannons coming in. They're over there.
Oh, I did this shit, bro. And the guy, I told him, like, yo, where are my holes? That, you know, that goes right here, the holes? And he's like, oh my God, I didn't make them. I'm like, bro, I already put it. He's like, take it off and bring it to me. I'm like, bro, let's it. So you think that shit will hold like that?
Yeah.
All it holds is when it's not always like that.
No tiene.
That's it, but that shit ain't moving.
You need to move it a little bit anyway for the vibration. That's why you have the rubber bushes in there. Yeah, pero que no tenga nada acá no le va a hacer nada anyway. El que yo le puse al King
I was thinking of taking out the reserve, taking it out.
No, you don't have to have it.
They told me to, take it out. I'm like, nah, put that
Because keep in mind, that will be your first sign of defense when it's overheating because you're going to be dumping, boiling, cooling on the reservoir. That's how you see it. I gotta buy the red one. I got to buy the red one for this bitch.
What red one?
The liquid, the coolers.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Yeah, but fuck that
All you
shit.
gotta do is get